A U.S. appeals court on Thursday allowed President Donald Trump to keep the National Guard in Los Angeles for now, after he deployed them there last weekend to quell protests in the city over immigration raids. The appeals court temporarily paused a lower court ruling that blocked Trump's mobilization. San Francisco-based U.S. District Judge Charles Breyer earlier on Thursday found that the president's deployment of the Guard was unlawful. Breyer had ordered the National Guard to return to the control of California Governor Gavin Newsom, who had brought the case. Trump has justified the troops by characterizing LA's protest as a rebellion, but Breyer said they fell far short of that legal standard. Between the rulings, Newsom said the National Guard would be redeployed to its previous tasks, including border security, preparing for wildfires, and countering drug smuggling. However, it was only a brief victory for Newsom, as the Trump administration immediately appealed Breyer's ruling, calling it, quote, an extraordinary intrusion on the president's constitutional authority as commander-in-chief. Breyer's order was paused within hours by a panel of 3 judges, 2 of which were appointed by Trump in his first term. It's all likely to prolong a standoff between protesters and police at a federal detention center in downtown Los Angeles where migrants have been held, and where National Guard troops throughout the week have formed human barricades to keep people out of the building. The decision does not mean that the court will ultimately side with Trump, but it does leave command of the Guard with the president for now. The panel said it would hold a hearing on Tuesday to consider the merits of Breyer's order.